Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to tell us about the topic Signal and System Introduction. This is Satyanarayana, Assistant Professor. Coming to the Signal System Introduction, coming to the signal definition. Signal, it is a physical quantity which is varies with time or space or any other independent variables. In this, physical quantity means it is a measurable quantity or independent variables like time, space or any other independent variables. Signal is a function of time. Suppose f of t equal to t square plus 2t plus 1 is a function. Function of a time is also called a signal. Example, human voice or voltage. This is the signal diagram. Signal diagram x of t is a signal in this diagram. Independent variable is small t. Basically two types signals, one dimensional signal and multi-dimensional signal. In this one dimensional signal, function depends on a single variable only. This is called a one dimensional signal. Example is speech signal. Multi-dimensional signal, function depends two or more variables. Example, image. Two or more variables in image, color pixels, so many pixels, colors and so on, multi variables are having. Coming to signal properties. Signal properties which are basically for amplitude, time period, frequency or phase. In this, consider a signal diagram, a sinusoid of signal or cosine signal, anyone. In this signal diagram, the height of the wave from x-axis to this point is called amplitude of the signal. In this diagram, one cycle is completed, one cycle is completed and second cycle is started. When cycle is completed, that is a time period t, capital T. We know that frequency means 1 by inversely proportional to the time period. So f is equal frequency equal 1 by time period. Phase means it is some angle. Coming to the signal processing, the properties of signal changed accordingly is called a signal processing. Our requirement, the properties of signal changed. This is called a signal processing. Coming to the system definition, system is a physical device that performs various operations like multiplication, so many operations. System contains so many parameters, so many devices. Input is also known as excited signal, and output from the system is also known as response of the signal. Example is system in this system example is communication system.